Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into crypto and holding some Shiba Inu, SHIB, tokens, you might need to move them around sometimes. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to send SHIB from your Arculus wallet to your Phantom wallet in 2025. This process is simple, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your assets safe. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up and funded. You'll need the Arculus app installed on your device and Phantom wallet connected to your browser or mobile. Start by opening your Arculus wallet and navigating to the main dashboard. Look for your SHIB holdings. It's usually under the Assets or Tokens section. Once you're there, select the SHIB token you want to send. You'll see an option to send or transfer. Tap on that, and it will prompt you to enter the recipient's wallet address. Now, switch over to your Phantom wallet. In Phantom, go to the Receive section, select SHIB, and copy the wallet address provided. Make sure you're copying the correct network. SHIB typically runs on Ethereum, so double-check that it's the right one for 2025 updates. Paste that address into the Arculus send screen. Next, enter the amount of SHIB you want to transfer. Be mindful of any network fees. In 2025, these might have changed due to Ethereum upgrades, so review them before proceeding. Hit Send, and confirm the transaction with any required authentication, like a PIN or biometric verification. After sending, head back to Phantom wallet to monitor the transaction. It should show up in your activity log once it's confirmed on the blockchain. This might take a few minutes, depending on network congestion. And voila! You've successfully transferred your SHIB. A quick tip: always use hardware security features if available, and never share your private keys. If you run into any issues, check official support channels for Arculus and Phantom. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you next time.